Have you ever faced a situation where you needed to decide how risky something was, but weren't sure how to measure it? That's where a risk matrix comes in. A risk matrix is a visual tool used to evaluate and prioritize risks based on two key factors: likelihood, how likely is the risk to happen, and impact, how bad would it be if it did. You simply plot risks on the matrix depending on how likely and how severe they are. For example, a highly likely and high-impact risk lands in the red zone, critical, while an unlikely low-impact risk falls in the green zone, low priority. This helps teams focus their attention on the most serious risks first. So, how do you use it? Well, first, identify potential risks in your project, business, or process. Then, assess each risk's likelihood and impact. After that, plot each risk on the matrix. And finally, prioritize actions. Start with those red zone risks, move on to yellow, and then finish with green. Simple, visual, and powerful. A risk matrix turns guesswork into smart decision-making. That's the risk matrix, your quick guide to smarter risk management.